Namaste yogis, and now we are going to do 5 minutes of quick Sukshma Vyayama micro exercises in yoga. Starting from your neck, gently turn your head up and down. We do each exercise for 10 counts. Okay, just count yourself: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's do the neck side bends. 1, 2. Please count yourself and do 10 counts. These Sukshma Vyayama, they bring the new prana, the energy into your body, and also loosen your joints. And you practice this before practicing your yoga classes. This will be very useful for you. And after the neck side bending, let's do the neck twisting. Gently turn your head side to side in a twisting motion. Count yourself, do 10 counts. And we are doing these Sukshma Vyayama from top to bottom, starting from your neck until your ankle joints. Now let's do the fists. Make your tight fists, keep your arms straight, elbow straight, and make tight fists and release your fingers. Spread your fingers fully. Do 10 times. Just breathe normally when you're doing these Sukshma Vyayama exercises. And after the fists, we can do the wrist rotation. Move your wrist gently and softly. Feel the blood flowing towards your wrist joints and loosen up those wrists. Let's do the other direction, opposite direction as well. You don't have to do it too fast. Do it at your own pace. You can do slow and gentle. And now let's do the chest openings. As you inhale, move your arms away from each other. Open up your chest. As you exhale, take your arms forward. Do 10 times. Inhale, arms out. Exhale, arms forward, close. Now let's start with our shoulder mobilization. Keep your arms on your shoulders and rotate your elbows as much as you can. If you're feeling any pain while doing, try not to push harder. Just do it gentle and soft movements only. Same, do the opposite direction, 10 counts. Keep breathing, do not hold your breath. You can do at your own pace. You don't have to do it very fast. Sukshma Vyayama. Now let's do the other next exercise. Keep your arms parallel to each other, palms facing each other, and slowly do the twisting of your upper body. Twist your whole upper body, including your head as well. Exhaling, twist. Inhaling, bring your arms forward. Exhaling, twist. Inhaling, bring your arms forward. Do 10 counts. Keep your feet close together. We do the next exercise, side bending. As you bend sideways, try to keep the same side hand on your waist and the other hand behind your head for supporting your neck. Feel a nice stretch on your sideways. Feel the spine getting stretched nicely. If you feel any pain, try not to push too hard. Next, we are going to do the forward bend and backward bend. Inhale, lift your hands up. Exhaling, swing your arms downwards, swinging freely. Be careful if you have any lower back pain or any kind of spinal issues. Please do not do this. Inhale, go up, and exhale, bend forward. Inhale, go up, exhale, bend forward. Do it 10 times. And then we are going to move into the next exercise. Keep your palms facing downwards, parallel to the ground, and do the high knees. Bring your knees up and try to touch your knees to your palms. Sometimes we move our palms down to touch our knees. No cheating, guys. Try to do it carefully. And then we do the ankle rotation. Rotate your ankles clockwise and anti-clockwise 10 times. Try to balance carefully. Same, do it with the other leg as well. That's the last exercise in our today's Sukshma Vyayama micro exercises in yoga. If you want me to do any more yoga videos, please comment. I'll try to do it. Om Namah Shivaya.